So I was driving and the car kept cutting off on me. But if I'm driving, if I'll cut it off and cut it back on, the car will start back up, right? So I drove it to my uncle. When I got to my uncle's house, I let it sit for a little minute. When I tried to start it up, it wouldn't start back up. So he thought that I needed a fuel pump. So I got the fuel pump, changed the fuel pump, but the car's still not starting. It's just clicking.
Oh, so it just clicks when you try to start it? So it clicks multiple times when you try to start, is that right?
And then...
Have you checked the battery?
Nothing. He charged the battery for me overnight. It still did the same thing.
So if the battery's bad, it won't take a charge because it's bad. So if you have a bad cell on the inside of the battery, you need to replace that battery. Charging it won't do any good. Now, I suppose you might even be able to get it charged, but when you go to start the engine, what happens is the voltage of the battery, the surface charge is about 12.6 volts. When you go to start it, you put a load on that battery, it'll drop down to about 6 volts. That's a bad battery.
So tell me this. If I was to go get a battery, right, and I put the battery in, but, no, let's rewind. I'm sorry. I'm moving too fast. The battery, she's saying that she just got this battery.
Okay, so
but the battery does die fast because I think it's a fan problem as well. So she has to unplug the fan or it'll drain the battery out. What I'm saying is now, all of the lights are coming on. The car just won't start.
Gotcha. Yep. It can still be a bad battery. And not only that, if there's something draining the battery, well, that could cause a good new battery to go bad prematurely. So somebody needs to load test that battery. That's the only way to know for sure if it's new or if it's, I could say this, she could say that, whatever the case may be. At the end of the day, the proof is in the pudding. We need to load test that battery with a battery load tester.